We are pleased to show you the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.